In this video we are going to talk about best coffee grinder in this year, which is Krups Precision Grinder. We will be going over the special key features of this product, and why this product is so popular. So stay tuned and let's get into the video. Krups Precision Grinder. Improved performance and precision, 33% greater grinding range to provide precision grinding for all types of coffee brewing methods, drip filter coffee, French press cold brew, pour over espresso and more. Premium burr grind, metallic flat burr coffee grinder provides full control over the grind size and uniform grinding for the full coffee flavor. Customizable Grind, 12 grind fineness settings plus intermediary settings for precise grinding. Adjust the fineness level for any type of coffee, from fine for espresso to coarse for French press. Customizable Quantity, 2 to 12 cups quantity selection settings with auto-stop to automatically grind the exact quantity you need. Large capacity, 8-ounce whole coffee bean hopper and removable grounds container have the capacity to produce grinds for 30 to 32 cups of coffee. Easy TO Clean, removable top burr with embedded cleaning brush for the effortless cleaning. One-touch operation, on-off button with the auto-stop at the end of the grinding cycle. That's all about this product today. If you want to get more information and customer reviews, you can check out the link in the description down below. I hope you like the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and then subscribe my channel if you want to get more videos in future.